Hello, my name is Dr. Marcella Wilson. I'm a computer science professor, an e-commerce store owner, and I also run Learn AI and ChatGPT.com. Now, I know when you see me, I'm normally in my computer lab and I am talking about AI, and that's what I do. I teach business owners how to use AI to get more sales, how to use things like ChatGPT to for social media, how to learn how to prompt, and I do all those things. But I'm also an e-commerce store seller, right? And I sell things. So today I'm going to give you 5 products off of my Mother's Day gift guide. All right. So the first product I'm going to show you is the overall favorite, right? Here it is. It's right behind me. And it's a letterboard. It is an acrylic letterboard. The Y fell off, I'm sorry. It's a changeable acrylic letterboard. The letters slide in and out. It comes with 2 packs of letters. I have black and rainbow. It comes with a set of emojis. And I have one, I usually keep it on my bookcase right here. But I hope if you're interested in this, that it's available because I'm always selling out of these. These are so popular, these letterboards. It's like a tent shape. And I just sit it on my desk, on my bookcase, and it's lovely. And I want to show you the box it comes in. It's so giftable. It's so pretty, right? I designed it myself. But it's already giftable. So it comes with the letterboard, the 2 packs of letters in black and rainbow, emojis and things like that. It makes a great gift. I love this. And I'm always running out of stock. So if this is something that you think that your mama would like, get it now because it goes fast. And I'm not just saying that because I want you to buy it. It's true. These are my best sellers. I remember back in the day when I would be selling at in church basements, stuff like that. These would just fly. They would go. Letterboards. Okay. The second item that is really, really cool. So your mom or your grandmama or auntie might have a lot of Polaroid pictures hanging around, right? And I have 2 items for that. I have a dual Polaroid picture frame, right? That holds Polaroid pictures. And the thing about this is you don't see a lot of picture frames for Polaroids anymore, right? So these are really popular as well because your mom might have old photos of family that are hanging around. And the good thing about keeping them encased in acrylic is it keeps the Polaroids from fading. If Polaroids are exposed to light or dust or moisture or air, they yellow and they fade over time. So this kind of protects them. So this is a really popular seller. Another thing too, if your mom has Polaroid pictures, is a photo storage box. So I'm gonna actually take a picture out so you can kind of get the full effect. It's a box and it slides and you put the photo in here. So it kind of has like a front frame that you can put a picture in, but it's wide enough to hold like 50 Polaroids, and you just store them in here. You just pop the Polaroids. If I can pick it up, you just store them in here. You can close it, and again, this protects the Polaroids. It keeps them free from dust, free from air, free from moisture. And also they're really pretty, right? Also, you can store this on your coffee table. You can store it on your bookcase, and it just looks stylish and minimalistic and really, really cute, right? So these are really, really popular too, my Polaroid photo storage boxes. So if your mama doesn't have Polaroids, but she has the Instax Minis, we got those too, right? So if you like these, right, this in the picture frame, and you're like, well, she got the minis, I got you covered. So here's the dual I don't have both of them in there. That's my daughter when she was like 7. One of my daughters, I have 3. So we have the picture frame, and then also I have the photo storage box as well. I'm gonna take the picture out so you can get the full effect. So I have the photo storage box for the mini Instax mini cameras. Oh, so again, this holds about 50 Instax mini pictures, right? You have the picture up front, it's like a frame, and you could like put this on your coffee table, your desk, your bookshelf, just a shelf, just really stylish. So I have this in black and white. I only have the Polaroid original in black. So I only have this one in black, but I have this one in black and white. And the cool thing about these is I have people stack them, right? Stack them, they'll do like black and white. They'll have the colors alternating, or they'll have one photo box for one event. Like, you know, some people use this for wedding receptions, right? Or, you know, girl getaway. So these are really, really cool. These are really, really popular. My my customers really love these and reorder them and store them. So it's a great way to keep your Polaroids and Instax mini camera film safe and a cute way to display them. All right, so this is a gift that sells all year round, but you know, everybody is not a mom, but they may be a different type of parent, right? They may be a pet parent. They may have a fur baby, right? So this is really, really cool. This is my, okay, this is the top right here. This is so cute. I love this. I love this. I love this. This is my dinosaur dog chew toy toothbrush. So it has dual features. It's a chew toy, but it's also a toothbrush, right? So it squeaks, right? You can play fetch. You can throw and play fetch with your dog, but it also cleans their teeth. So when they chew on it, it cleans their teeth. So it has the bumps and the ridges. I don't know if you can see the skin, but the skin is scaly. And then the teeth are actually kind of movable. So when the dog is chewing on this, it cleans their teeth. So this is really good for those large breeds who are aggressive chewers. It's also good for small breeds too, because I know if you dogs that have small mouths, their mouths are harder to clean, right? So this is really good. And some of my customers have told me that they put like in the ridges, the teeth, they put like coconut oil or peanut butter to get the dog to eat it. And they've all told me like this is so much easier than like getting a dog toothbrush and toothpaste and trying to brush the dog's teeth. You just, you know, give them this. So it's a toy, it's a toothbrush, it's fun. Yeah, so it can, you know, just sits up. But yeah, this is for your, so if someone has a fur baby, this is a great gift for them. All right, so those are my most popular gifts, right? The photo boxes, which fly off the shelves, you know, the picture frames that go along with it. And of course, my number one seller, the letterboard. Okay. Now let me just address something because I know somebody's gonna leave me a comment. They're like, Dr. Wilson, why are you selling your physical products? Why are you giving us a Mother's Day gift guide when you talk about AI? Okay, so I'm an e-commerce seller too, but I want to tell you, everyone should have a Mother's Day gift guide. Whatever holiday it is, you should have a holiday gift guide to sell to your customers. Why? Because people are looking. As I said earlier, people spend $35 billion on Mother's Day. So people are looking for stuff to buy. And if you have an audience, right? If you have an email list, if you have people that follow you on social media, sell to them because they're looking. Everybody's looking for unique, sentimental, different, fun gifts that they can give to their mom. So why not put out a PDF gift guide to people who already know you, trust you, and that you already talk to or sell to? People are looking, so give them ideas, all right? So, number 2, why you should have a PDF gift guide is because people are buying. Mother's Day is coming up. People are buying. Give them something to buy. It's that simple. If you have something to sell for Mother's Day, sell it. Okay? It's that simple. Not rocket science. So, I know somebody is watching this saying, I really want to sell stuff, but I don't have anything to sell. You've got physical inventory. You got, letter boards and dog chew toys. I don't have any of that. I don't have anything to sell. I'm new to this game, or I'm too late. I didn't get my manufacturing order in time. Well, that's not an excuse. Not with AI. Okay. So it's not an excuse. And I'm going to give you 2 things that you can do. First thing you can do is you can create a digital product and sell that. Have you looked on Etsy lately? Etsy sells tons of digital products. Printables, planners, affirmation cards. I mean, you name it. Some people make their whole living, all their income off of printables, right? So you can you can use AI and create a Mother's Day printable. Ask it to give you ideas based on, your business, and sell digital products. Okay. With AI is no excuse. So no excuse. So another thing you can do, so you can create digital products, and then you can sell affiliate products. So what are affiliate products? So all affiliate products is you selling someone else's product. And if someone buys it from you, they'll give you a cut. Amazon will do that. You can go to Amazon and look at pick out some products. And if you notice, especially on your mobile phone, your Amazon app, there's 2 links. One is an affiliate link. But you didn't know that, right? So you could create a PDF gift guide for Mother's Day full of affiliate products, which are just links to products that you don't sell, or, products that are not your own. So if you don't have a physical product, or this is the last minute, you don't know what to sell, ask ChatGPT, create some digital products, or sell affiliate products. And again, there are some people who that's all they do. They make their whole living off of affiliate income. So people do it every day. You could do it too. So, and you also may be thinking, well, that's great. Well, I have products, but they don't have nothing to do with Mother's Day. And, it just don't. So for my business owners who are in that category, I would say, 1, again, we're going back to AI. Ask ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, how can I sell this product on Mother's Day? And see what it says. See what ideas and suggestions it gives you. ChatGPT is very smart. So ask them and see ask ChatGPT and see what it tells you, and then do it and sell it. And I also want to caution you against assuming what people will buy, right? Some people have come to me and be like, well, I sell courses. Like, oh, who's going to, that's not a Mother's Day gift. But I have been gifted courses, right? So, if you sell a course or something like that, you can say, hey, gift your mom this course for Mother's Day, right? So there's really, with AI and digital products and the internet and being online, there's no reason why you can't sell anything for Mother's Day You can't, come up with your own gift guide, and and you can do it really, really, really quickly. Okay. So if you are interested in creating your own Mother's Day products using AI, I got you covered. I've created the Mother's Day AI content kit, and it will help you create a digital product. It'll give you prompts that you give ChatGPT to create gift ideas, to create emails for that gift, to create social media posts. I've also given you a whole email campaign that you can just copy and paste and send to your, email subscribers. It gives you prompts. Did I say that already? But it gives you everything you need to create and sell products for Mother's Day that are digital. Oh, and I also give you printables too. Like, remember I was saying people are selling printables on Etsy? I give you printables already. So I've got 10 of them in there. So again, if you want to buy that, that's in the description as well. So if you're interested in any of my products that are on my Mother's Day gift guide, or if you want to create one for yourself using AI and don't know how, everything is in the link. Every link is in my description. This is me during the pandemic. I love this. But yeah, there's no excuse not to make money, right? Mother's Day, people are spending money. Go get your coins. Stop watching me. Click the links in the bio. Get something for moms and set up your own digital products to sell on Mother's Day. So I love you for watching, and share this with another business owner or someone who needs to buy something for their mama. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like what I put out and you want to learn more about how to use AI for your business. All right, stop watching me. Get your PDF gift guide going. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.